welcome back to my channel. So fall is almost here. As a matter of fact, I think it's already here. So I've been doing like some fall eyeshadow looks because I really love the fall. I really love the fall. So I'm gonna show you guys how I create this really easy fall makeup look. As you can see, I already did my brows and I'm just basically blending everything together. Now the palette that I'm using is the Masquerade Mini by Juvia's Place, and yeah, this is a really good palette. Y'all know I always use Juvia's Place. So I'm gonna go in with the color Zulu. It's like a burnt orange, and I'm just going to slowly work that in my crease. Okay, y'all, so now I'm gonna go back in with this Passion Apple palette by NK, and I'm just gonna kind of apply this more so on the outer corner there, just because I want that like a little bit darker. And the color that I added, it was the maroon. It was like a dark maroon burgundy type color. Alright, so now I'm just blending out the inside of my lid just because I want it to fade out a little bit. So I'm just slowly blending that and just trying to make sure that everything is blended nicely. So back in my Masquerade Mini palette, I'm gonna use this color at the end, and I think it's called Dahia, Dahia, and I'm just gonna add that to my lid, and I'm just patting it on because I don't want too much. Like, I just want like a nice little shimmer. So I'm just going to lightly pat that on, and as you can see, this color is really pretty. Alright, so after I blend the edges and blend everything nicely together, what I did was just start on my foundation, and my foundation that I'm using is Juvia's Place foundation. Like, y'all already know, like, I love me some Juvia's Place. So yeah, I'm just gonna apply that. You'll see me going between the brush and the beauty blender. That's just what I do. I'm adding some Laura Mercier powder to my face now, and I'm just tapping it in instead of actually baking. I'm just lightly tapping it into my skin. So the lashes that I am using, they are available on my site. I will list the link below. Go ahead and come and shop with me at Slate Boutique. And if you have any questions about these lashes, just let me know. I did a video on how to put on lashes, and I'll also find that and put it below as well. So what I'm going to do is use that same Passion Apple palette and the exact same maroon color, and I'm just going to line my lips with it. And you will see in a minute, I'm just lining my lips with this maroon color, and in the middle I'm going to put that Dahlia color that was in the Masquerade Mini palette that I use on my eyeshadow. I'm just going to place that in the middle of my lips. All right, y'all, so that's it. If you want to see how I did my hair, I will list that link below so that you guys can see it. But this is it, y'all, and I really loved how this turned out. I had to go put on my little sweater dress so that y'all could really, get the colors and see how it all blended together. But yeah, that's it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram at Slate by Tamia, and I will talk to y'all later. Bye.